Hello, my name is Bev Morgan. I'm a Canadian artist and live in Hanover, Ontario. There are so many opportunities to let the watercolors sing on snow scenes. This class is a perfect example of this by making varying degrees of shadows in the snow, in our posts, and our walking bridge. I love to lay down the brush wet on wet here and there, introducing primary transparent colors. This base will be the beginning to many layers of paint to create winter snow shadows. What will you learn? If you struggle or are afraid to draw, I will show you how to create your own transfer paper to transfer this scene and other artwork into a watercolor paper. We will begin by using masking fluid to protect all our whites in the paper, and then we'll play with the watercolors wet and wet to create a soft blending of colors. You'll be shown how to use common watercolor techniques such as salt, splattering, and plastic wrap. At the end of this class, you will see a bonus lecture, and I will demonstrate and show you how to stretch watercolor paper on a wood frame. I have an example. So I did this painting earlier. So when the wet watercolor paper is stapled on the wood frame and it dries, it just dries very tight, and then you can do your painting. During the class, I will be showing you different values and intensity of colors for each lecture, and all these colors are into my painting that I did on the paper. You will have lifetime access to this class, so you will schedule your painting time to your schedule. Enroll today and let's start painting together.